made it to the Marriott in room 1232. On our way to Vegas, man. Hey, hey, hey. So it's a nice room. Oops, I just turned the light out. Yeah, okay. So before we go in there, we'll go into the bathroom. Nice little bathroom. Like the wood framed in the mirror. And again, looks like that's what the new trend is now. They're having the shampoo, the conditioner, and looks like probably shower gel there and on the wall. That's really cool. And it has the nice bow curtain rod, so it gives you the illusion and the feeling of having more room. Oh yeah, cool. Okay. And we have the typical closet. Oh, they got a steamer. I should have nabbed that. And I guess a little trash heap in there or something. I don't know. Iron, la la la. And I think this is a king size bed. So we'll be getting friendly. Nice, I like that. Very nice pictures. And for some reason when we landed, it feels kind of, I don't know, humid maybe, and almost musty out. Our view is the parking lot, but it's really high up, and my friend Raven got us this awesome room. Did you get this with points?
I paid points and cash redemption, so like.
So it was a combo.
Yeah,
gotcha.
But it wasn't very expensive at all.
Nice, nice. Huge, big TV. Very, very nice. The only thing I would ding this place for, it was horrible trying to find it. They had lots of great signs that pointed, okay, go in the elevator, but then when you get in the elevator, it's like, well, parking level this, and then this ground floor that, but then you couldn't tell what was what because they contradicted each other. So that was kind of like, huh? Say what? So that was kind of weird. But it took us a while. We eventually found this nice older couple who were going to the same place. We just started asking, are you going to the Marriott? And thankfully they were. So we said, okay, good. They knew where they were going. First time staying here at the Philadelphia airport, just to make it nice so that we are on our way to Vegas in the morning. And hopefully we can get out of here before the storm comes. We can hope, we can hope, we can hope. So see you later in Vegas. At the restaurant in the Marriott Hotel, we sat down at a nice booth in the back, had the menu, and look, it's an electronic iPad. Isn't that the coolest thing? That's like neato. And then you can just scroll for what you want. It's too cool. So I chose the turkey BLT with some unsweetened iced tea. That's pretty good. It's not bad. I'm not one for the tomato, so the tea comes off the BLT. And what did you get?
Barbecue chicken, and they call it fingerlings.
Oh, I like those. Those look neat.
It's good.
Is it? Awesome. Awesome. They were very slow, though, I have to say. But the waiter was very nice, and the lady who brought the food was extremely nice. But they were super slow. So don't be in a hurry. Okay, so we've got breakfast this morning. It is their aviation breakfast that my friend Raven, was able to get free. So that was really nice for being a platinum member of Marriott. This is the restaurant we ate at. The Marriott Envoy. We were comfortable seats. Quick, awesome service. So much better than it was last night. Last night was pretty full. But it's a pretty hotel. It's nice being right near the airport. It's a little muggy in here, though. That's the only thing. It feels even cooler outside, though. Looks like it's raining. They're getting ready for a storm. Yeah, they're getting ready. It's getting bad. There's the grand ballroom. Looks like they're having some kind of function. Hi for K. I don't know what that is, but that looks interesting. And registration over there. Very pretty, very clean hotel.